Hello learners, welcome to this another session of Certificate in Fashion Design program. Today's topic of discussion is marking on pattern and tools for armhole and neckline. So this is activity part of course 2 of this program, which is basics of pattern making and sewing, and this is activity 3 and 4 which we will be discussing today. So first of all, let us point out what all topic and points we will be discussing today. And first we will discuss types of pattern and its specific use. Then we will discuss terms and symbol used in creating patterns. We will discuss tools for pattern marking. So pattern making, so there are different tools which you will be needing when you go for the pattern making. So what are different tools is used for pattern making, and French curve and its use. What is meant by French curve and why it is used in the pattern making and garment construction. So first let us discuss the activity 3, which is create patterns with all markings. So why this activity is important when you learn this or when you study this particular course, basics of pattern making and sewing. So what all learning outcome, what you will gain after doing this activity and learn and understand this activity. So you can, after going through this activity and when you will do, you can distinguish between different types of patterns and explain the specific use and why you can differentiate between different types of patterns. Like we have earlier discussed methods of pattern making, but here we will be discussing the different types of pattern we have also discussed, and we will be focusing on different types of pattern, and you can explain their specific use, where the particular type of pattern is used. Then you can use and handle different tools for pattern creating. What are different tools are there? Many tools are there which is used in pattern making and creating. So how many types of tools are there and how you will handle, and where in particular which part or which thing you will use that particular tools, you will able to know. Then you can identify and understand the terms and symbols used in creating patterns. What are different terms used in for the creating pattern, what are different tools, symbols are marked on the pattern to make it easily understand. Then use of notches, punches and symbol on pattern. For notches we have discussed it earlier also. So what is the importance of and use of notches, punches and symbol on a pattern? Then you can identify the pattern defects and creating of production pattern. So you can identify what all defects are there and how you can correct them. So this is the broad learning outcome, what you will gain, what you will understand after doing this activity. So let us just discuss what type of pattern we are saying. What are different types of patterns? So we can say there are basically 3 types of pattern we have. The basic pattern, we have discussed the basic blocks, we call it as a sloper. Then we have the working pattern and we have the production pattern. So let us discuss first about the basic patterns we have. So basic pattern we can also call this as a sloper or a basic blocks.